Hi everyone! Join me today for a full body Qigong practice. This is good to do first thing in the morning or late afternoon to move, breathe, and feel good mentally and physically. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and straight, unlock your knees, relax your hips, and take a moment here to relax your entire body. Then bring your hands together and rub gently until they feel nice and warm. Bring your attention to the center of your palms and your fingers. Then go ahead and massage directly the center of your palm. Never mind about Altai rolling around on the grass. Then do the same to your other hand. Trying to focus on the warmth coming from the center of your palm. Then take that warmth all around to the back of the hands and the fingers. Wrap your hand around the wrist and applying some pressure, massage your wrist area. Altai is being very goofy. Switch hands and repeat. Very good. Go ahead and gently slap your palms to stimulate all the points located on your hands. Then shake it off, shake it loose. Go ahead and gently massage the soles of your feet. I had to put Altai away next door so we can continue practicing. I want you to bring all your attention to your feet. Then change the direction. Make sure you feel your toes, your heels, the sides of your feet. Come back to center. Place your foot on the big toe and roll your ankle. Change the direction. Then repeat the same on the other side. Give it a good range of motion if you can. Then change the direction. Very good. From here, we're going to rotate the knees, keeping your lower back as relaxed as possible, relying on your legs, going down and up, down and up. Change the direction. Keep the movement slow and mindful, becoming fully aware of your knee joints and the muscles around them. Slow it down. Continue with a hip rotation. Depending on how you feel and what time of the day you're practicing, listening to your body and choose the range that feels good. Change the direction. Begin to notice all the sensations around your hip joints. Feel the muscles and tendons getting a good stretch. Come back to center. Then place your hands on your lower back. We're going to warm up the spine. Slowly go forward from your hips and the waist. Move your chin to the chest and roll up spine by spine. Go forward again. Make sure you bend your knees to roll up your spine. This movement is called a crane, drinking water from a pond. Imagine that your spine is a long neck. Find softness and fluidity through your spine. Repeat the movement 4 times. Stand back up and relax your hands by the side. Then bring your palms together. Interlace your fingers. Begin moving your wrist in a circular motion. Change the direction, going towards the chest. Make sure you give it a good range of motion. Then flatten your hands and create a wave, pressing down and stretching your fingers. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed at all times. Change the direction. I know it looks easier than it actually is. Try your best, gently pressing on the fingers to stretch. Then go ahead and open your hands to the side. Move your hands forward, bending the elbows to bring them closer to the chest. Then open as your head turns. Go ahead and repeat, moving in and out to the side. This movement helps to work the elbow joint, so be gentle to yourself, moving slowly and deliberately. Allow your shoulders to stay relaxed without creeping up to the neck. And if you do feel tension building up, let your arms down and take a wee break. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. Then make your hands into a loose fist. Begin rotating your shoulders to the back. Change the direction. Go forward. Very good. Relax your neck and shoulders. Open your palms. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale down the center. Breathe in. Slowly come up on your toes. Exhale to relax and soften the entire body. Repeat 4 times. Keeping your breath slow and natural. Allow your whole body to soften. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. We're going to finish with an exercise called Catch a Fish and Look at the Moon. Go ahead and step forward. Slowly shift the weight to the front leg. Open your chest to the sky. Shift the weight to the back and let your arms spread out and wide. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you move back. Your arms are moving in the figure of X, wide at the top and narrow in the middle. One more time. Then change legs. Continue the movement as you breathe slowly. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. Stay comfortable. Find a range that feels good. Avoid overstretching at any point. Make sure your breath stays nice and relaxed throughout this exercise. Then bring both feet parallel. Take a big breath in. And on the exhale, relax the entire body. Move your hands away from your body. Unlock your knees. Relax your hips. Take a moment to rest and simply observe all the sensations within. Notice how you feel. Then place both hands on your lower abdomen and take a couple of deep, cautious breaths into your belly. Bring all your attention to the body. Allow yourself to relax fully, your mind to be calm, and simply enjoy this moment and the sound of your own breath. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button on the screen to make sure you don't miss any future videos or live streams. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep well, and I'll see you soon.